This is the solo sea view cabin, cabin 9386Z, on the Brilliant Lady. If you're a solo traveler, this room is for you. Even though this room is kind of tight, it didn't feel that bad if you're only by yourself, of course. I was pleasantly surprised by how large the bathroom was. Perfect for a solo traveler, again, so it wasn't too small. So right across from the bed is the Glam area. So you can get ready for an evening out, whatever. You also have the iPad, the room is smart enabled, some water, and a mini fridge. There is one drawer underneath the bed. I guess there's no room for any other drawers, but just in a heads up with that, as Stefan's showing, there's just one drawer. If you're like me and you like to doom scroll at the end of the day, which is probably not good, there is a plug at the foot of the bed, and there's plugs by the Glam area, so you can't really plug your phone in and scroll unless you had a super long cord. Now to the Voyage Fair Choices. So this is new with Virgin Voyages. There are 3 different levels, and they only apply to sea terrace cabins or below. And I did break down the 3 categories and highlighted the major differences between the 3 of them for you to reference. But no matter which of the 3 you choose, it does come with dining, entertainment, Wi-Fi, fitness classes, and soda and water. So that is the solo sea view. Hopefully you found something helpful in this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you would like help booking your own Virgin Voyage, feel free to reach out to me via Instagram or via my email, which is in the description box below. I do have some other room tours on the Brilliant Lady that you can watch in this playlist, or you can watch the full tour of the Brilliant Lady that I did, and I had a lot of fun doing it. So yeah, until the next adventure, keep exploring. Okay, bye!